You see these 4 lines?
I just need you to stand there until 5:30 today. I'll give you $50.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Great job.
Thank you.
I'd like to offer you a full-time position here.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, buddy.
Wanted to come by and see if you want to skate Midtown with us.
I gotta stay here.
What do you mean?
I'm working. Can you see?
Is anyone even watching you?
I'm making a living. Hey, have fun.
You've been loyal, reliable, you're an asset to me. Come with me.
I'm raising your salary by 30%. And now you're here.
Really? This thing is massive. You can see the bridge from here.
You earned it.
This is incredible.
Your day's pay, $2,000.
But I'd like to retire now if I could.
It's been a pleasure working with you.